Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
like my mornings, quiet in bed, alone with my coffee and the thoughts in my head. I don't even mind taking a walk by myself, going out for a long drive with nobody else. So you can't blame me for being tired with my time when you just arrived in my world. You can't come over and kill the vibe, take what's mine, just show up and make me your girl. But damn, you're so sweet, 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 like summer iced tea, the sugar I need. You're like a huckleberry pie with the sherry on the side, and I want another taste of it, please, 'cause you're so sweet, so sweet. Maybe you could come by in the afternoon. It would be a delight to sit and laugh with you, but you should go before sundown, 'cause I got places to be. Unless maybe you would be down to come along with me. Just don't blame me if I get tired with my time when you just arrived in my world. 'Cause if you